And another SVR. Hold on, I'll turn on the lights.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fulton County, southwestern Tazewell County, northeastern Mason County.
Hopefully this is extreme southwestern this time.
PM. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairview, or 8 miles west of Canton, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Havana, Lewistown, Farmington, Manitou, Cuba, Glassford, Avon, Green Valley, St. David, Fairview, Ipava, London Mills, Easton, Kingston Mines, Dunford Mine, Bernadette, Forest City, Smithfield, and Bryant.